Good morning. It is Tuesday, May 18, and this is the outfit for today. My top is from Marshalls. I love this top. I also have it in a black color. I love the fact that it has the zipper, the gold zipper on the elbow here. It gives it a very feminine touch and I love it. The pants are from Banana Republic. Most likely they are the Sloan fit. They are like a little checkered, you can see it right here, black and white, and it gives it like a grayish look to it. And for the topper, I don't want to use a blazer today. I don't want to look too professional. I think I can go for the laid back look today because I'm visiting accounts that, you know, I'm very familiar with and I feel comfortable going in a more casual look but still professional. I am gonna use this cardigan. This is from Marshalls, brand new. It is the Serious brand and extra small, so affordable, $16.99. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the look that I'm going for. It's a very professional but laid back look because of the cardigan. What do you guys think? Of course, I am gonna roll up the sleeves because I want my jewelry to be visible. I think it gives it a feminine touch, and so I like that. And that is pretty much it. I am ready to get the day started, so let's go. Good morning. It is May 19 and it is Wednesday, and this is today's outfit of the day. I have this top. I believe this top is from Marshalls. If not, it's forever, but I believe it's from Marshalls. These are the usual Sloan pants from Banana Republic. I have these in so many different colors, different patterns. Again, these are the pants that best fit my body, and they do run in petite. So everything that I get from Banana Republic is from their petite line. So yeah, and then again, these are my Cole Haan on-the-go shoes. I am gonna be using my 9 West heels for when I get to like the facilities or, you know, or to the office. But yeah, that is today's outfit. Let's get the day started. Let's go. So yesterday we were at a, what is it? What do you want to call it? A work meeting, and we went out for lunch. And after the work meeting, we went out for coffee. And after the coffee, we decided to walk through the mall and make a stop at the Tiffany's store. And I ended up leaving Tiffany's with that bag. It's a very beautiful purchase, and I'm gonna show you in just a few. Let me just get all this stuff on my wrist so that I can show you what I got. Oh, and my outfit for today is so cute. I'm gonna show you that too. All right, are you guys ready? I am excited, I am ready. This is what I got. This is an everyday ring, and I chose this one because of the T all around. The meaning, obviously the T stands for Tiffany's, but to me it not only stands for me being able to afford something from Tiffany's, but also my last name starts with the T. Both my parents, my mother and my father, their last names begin with a T, so it's a T has a very significant meaning to me. It was just meant to be. I was meant to have this ring, and that's why I bought it. So now it's time to put it on. So we're gonna leave this one today, and we're gonna use this one. Look at how pretty. In person, it shines so much. It has no diamonds. It's just solid rose gold, but it shines so nicely. Look at it. Beautiful. All right, let's go on to the outfit of the day. Good morning. It is May 20th. It is Thursday, and this is today's outfit of the day. My top is brand new from Banana Republic. It's a very sheer top. It's like a cream off-white color. I love it. It's very spring weather appropriate. I completely love it. And then the pants are brand new as well. This is the first time I'm wearing them. These are Banana Republic, the Slim Fit collection. I think Slim Fit through the ankle. And obviously Petite Collection. And I love them. They have pockets, and I feel very empowered when I have like big pockets. I love them. And my heels, they are Marc Fisher. I will add the links down in the description box. I don't recall the exact name of the style, but they are Marc Fisher. So yeah, this is the outfit for today, and I am ready to get the day started. So let's go. I completely forgot to show you the blazer. Let me put it on. Oh, it's so hot today. Whew. All right, focus. All right, this is the blazer for today. It's like a cream sand off-white color. It's a very pretty color. I like the button. It's like a white pearly button, and it goes well with the outfit for today. What do you guys think? Do you guys approve? Do you guys like? I love it. I've been wanting to put a look together just like this one for such a very long time, and I had not found the right pieces, but I think this is the look that I've been dreaming of putting together, and I'm very, very happy. All right, so okay, now let's really leave and get the day started. Hey guys, it is still Thursday. It's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am heading back into the office. But before that, I am gonna go to Wendy's. Okay, now that I'm driving under a bridge, this reminds me of something. I forgot to completely mention this yesterday. In the morning, I was on my way to work, and I was driving northbound on Cicero Avenue, and right after you cross Montrose Avenue, there's a bridge. And so right as soon as you get off that bridge, there's like a crosswalk, right? A sidewalk, right? A sidewalk for pedestrians. And so tell me why on the ledge, to kind of protect the sidewalk, to protect the pedestrians who are walking on the sidewalk, on that little ledge or whatever thing that is, there was this young girl walking on top of the ledge, and she was walking on it like nothing, like no fear. I saw her and I thought she wanted to commit suicide, because one wrong move, one wrong step, if she fell, instant death. That would have been instant death, because vehicles continue to go and turn, on that little turn. And so what I did is I called 911 and I reported that, because that is dangerous. One, I don't know if she was doing that purposely. I think she was, because I don't think anyone in their right mind will walk on top of a ledge knowing that there's a risk of you falling, resulting in death. So that was scary. Hey. Can I get 2 number 3s in small, regular? For drinks, the all-natural lemonade and barbecue sauce, please. And then let me get an order of large fries, no salt. And that should be it. I just got Wendy's and I'm heading to the office. I'll be there in just a few minutes. Depression, it's something that it's real. It's something that we don't really talk about. It's a topic that I guess tends to be very shameful, brings shame to the person who is suffering or going through depression. I am not a professional by any means. I am just someone who cares a lot about people. If you know someone that is suffering from depression and has suicidal thoughts, help that person. Link them to a professional. Even though they might say they don't want the help, they don't need the help, they do. They need it. At the end of the day, it's someone's life that's being affected, and someone's life is at risk. And that person, whether they tell you or not directly, they are calling out for help when they have thoughts of suicide. I am gonna leave it at that because like I said, I am not a professional, but being a human, I care about people, and so help those around you when you know that they need help. And then I'll leave it as that.
I wrote here, a heart that obeys God is a heart that has first come to know Him. Our love for God grows as we know Him. The better we know God, the more we love Him. You guys agree?
Yes.
Right? The better we know Him, the more we love Him. In here, a heart that knows God is a heart that has been transformed by the renewing of the mind through study and application of God's Word.
Good morning. It is Friday, May 21st, and don't make fun of the way I'm holding my camera. I know I need to purchase like a handheld stabilizer, so that will be coming soon. I'm gonna search for it on Amazon, so hopefully we'll have it by next week's vlog. Anyway, let's move on to the outfit of the day. It is Friday. I am excited and I am ready to finish the week strong and make the best out of today so that we can have a beautiful, safe, comfortable weekend with no work calls. All right, let's get started. So for my top, this top is from Marshall's. That's surprisingly, right? All right, so yeah, my top is from Marshall's. My pants, can you guess? They're from Banana Republic. These are the petite Sloan fit. Most likely, yeah, they must be the Sloan because they're the ones that best fit my body. I'm very short, I'm very skinny. Just for your reference, I am 5 feet tall even, and I weighed between 98 pounds. I really haven't weighed myself in a long time, but I think that's how much I weight. The shoes are, as expected, my Cole Haan on the go shoes. I'm obviously gonna trade my shoes as I get to work. I am gonna be using my black heels, which are my black heels are the 9 West Astoria, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, this is the outfit for today, and since it is Friday, I am going to make it into a casual look. I'm not gonna put a blazer. I am gonna just use a black cardigan, a summery cardigan, and that's pretty much it. Let's head out and get this Friday started. It's 1 o'clock, so I'm heading back to the office to have lunch. An update. I know yesterday I mentioned about the girl who was walking on the edge by the bridge, you know, whatever that's called. I saw her today. She was at the same location, like the same area, and yeah, she's a homeless girl. She's there at the corners asking for money. So she is a homeless girl, and I am thankful that at least I know I called the cops. I don't know if they were able to find her, but me seeing her today gives me peace of mind. Like, she's still here in this world, in this earth, and God has blessed her, and you know, God will provide for her as long as she looks for Him, and I pray that she does.